rising from the Bosphorus of Istanbul, together in a rooted history with the technology of the future. A brand shaping the future of the industry with the team who has the technical knowledge and accumulated experience, Doğuş Kalıp. Doğuş Kalıp, which has a history full of success since 1995, continues its activities on a closed area of 8,350 meters squared and open area of 3,300 meters squared. Doğuş Kalıp builds the corporate culture on the basis of honesty, trust and continuous improvement policy, and has a team consisting of more than 150 professionals who are specialized and experienced. Every single product which has Doğuş Kalıp's signature occurs with the power of team spirit working for the common targets. Across Turkey with Bayrampaşa branch, Hadımköy branch, İmes branch, İkiteli branch, İzmir branch, Tekirdağ-Çorlu branch, Bursa branch, and Kocaeli-Gebze branch. It is expanding its service network by 9 locations. Doğuş Kalıp provides its services 15 locations by 8 branches and 7 local dealers in Turkey. By all its units, Doğuş Kalıp continues its activities for usage of industrial products for many sectors in the fields of production, sales and marketing with superior quality and trust mentality. With its everyday growing service network, it suits the position of the sector leader of Turkey. As well as in Turkey, distributors in Tunisia, Lithuania, Czech Republic, Germany, Bulgaria and Greece promote the name to the entire world. Aluminium industrial profiles produced by the extrusion system are made resistant to corrosion by covering the surface with eloxal. They are produced with high linearity and measurement precision. They are modular construction technology with hygienic and aesthetic appearance, matching fasteners and accessories. Also, by weld-free anodized structure, they are easier to assemble and disassemble than steel constructions. Doğuş Kalıp added aluminium industrial profiles into the product portfolio in 2002, which can be used in many industrial areas such as machine bodies and chassis, security cabinet production lines and automation infrastructure. Conveyors are the systems that transfer products from one place to another without need of manpower. Many conveyor systems with different belt options and variable bodies are manufactured with the assurance of Doğuş Kalıp since 2004. It is the solution partner for many companies in industrial sector by supplying the industrial mechanical equipment which is developed to be the solution for every process of machine production. It ensures that all of the product varieties in the portfolio are in stock. Doğuş Kalıp produces linear motion systems and multi-axis motion units in accordance with world standards since 2006. By producing components such as ball screw, timing belt, rack and pinion systems suitable for any type of speed and momentum. Thanks to this, it assumes the title of representative of Turkish sector. Mechatronics and automation technology applications create speed, quality and cost-competitive solutions with professional approaches. Doğuş Kalıp made a dream come true by producing Doro, Turkey's first industrial palletizing robot. And now it continues to invest in technology to make the excitement turn into success and to be the pioneer of innovation in every field. It takes the responsibility to be pioneer of manufacturing industry and being the provider of strong contributions to the native economy by reducing its dependence on foreign markets and proud of being the first in various fields. Doğuş Kalıp increases the value of patents and registered brands by having many designs and utility models of various products and considers that as a reflection of R&D and design power. Also, Doğuş Kalıp authenticate own quality and assurance by the awards and globally recognized quality certifications. Doğuş Kalıp, as the leader of the Turkish market, services the most valuable brands all around the world. It exports to 40 countries in 5 continents by its continuously expanding regional network, and it succeeds in reaching anywhere in the world by its rich product portfolio. Doğuş Kalıp shows respect for nature and behaves responsibly for humanity by the environment-friendly approach and occupational health and safety practices. It lives in pride by bringing the future's technology for a better world like a sun rising over its country. We as the Doğuş Kalıp family took the road with the goal of being like a sun rising over Turkey's future. Now we are beyond our goal. We are everywhere all around the world by the light of technology. And we are going to be with our business partners forever to shape the life together. Doğuş Kalıp.